दोस्तों स्वागत है आप सबका अल्फा शिक्षा की यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों आज हम फिजिक्स स्टैंडर्ड 12 साइंस का एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। तो चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट रोटेशनल डायनेमिक्स से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जिसमें आज की इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम एमसीक्यू कवर करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट, जिसका नाम है रोटेशनल डायनेमिक्स की। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, when seen from the below, the blades of a ceiling fan are seen to be revolving anti-clockwise and their speed is decreasing. Select correct statement about the direction of its angular velocity and angular acceleration. So option are A, angular velocity upwards, angular acceleration downward. B, angular velocity downward, angular acceleration upward. C, both angular velocity and angular acceleration upward. D, both angular velocity and angular acceleration downward. So the answer is A, angular velocity upward, angular acceleration downward. So next question for the MCQ is, a particle of mass 1 kilo tied to a 1.2 meter long string is wired to perform vertical circular motion under gravity. Minimum speed of a particle is 5 meter per second. Consider following statement. P, maximum speed must be 5 meter per second. Q, difference between maximum and minimum tension along the string is 60 Newton. Select correct options. तो ऑप्शन क्या दिए गए हैं? A, only the statement P is correct. B, only the statement Q is correct. C, both the statements are correct. D, both the statements are incorrect. So the answer for the given question is C, both the statements are correct. And next question is, select correct statement about the formula expression of moment of inertia ma in terms of mass m of the object and sum of its distance parameters such as r, l, etc. Options are A, different objects must have different expression for their moment of inertia. B, when rotating about their central axis, a hollow right circular cone and a disc have the same expression for the moment of inertia. C, expression for the moment of inertia for a parallelepiped rotating about the transfer axis passing through its center includes its depth. Option number D is expression for moment of inertia of a rod and that of a plane sheet is the same about a transfer axis. So answer for this question is B, when rotating about their central axis, a hollow right circular cone and a disc have the same expression for the moment of inertia. So next question is, in a certain unit, the radius of gyration of a uniform disc about its central and transfer axis is root 2.5. Its radius of the gyration about a tangent in its plane in the same unit must be. So option is root 5, B, 2.5, C, 2 root 2.5, D, root 12.5. So answer for this question is B, B 2.5. So B 2.5 is correct answer for this question. Is consider following cases. P, a planet revolving in an elliptical orbit. Q, a planet revolving in a circular orbit. Principle of conservation of angular momentum comes in force in which of these? So option is A, only for P. B, only for Q. C, option is for both P and Q. And D, neither for P nor for Q. So answer for this question is C, for both P and Q. So the next question is, a thin wall hollow cylinder is revolving down an incline without slipping. At any instance, the ratio rotational kinetic energy, translation kinetic energy, total kinetic energy is. Option is 1:1:2, B 1:2:3, C 1:1:1, D 2:1:3. So answer for this question is